Thank you for taking the time to learn more about Tamko products. This is a series of videos walking you through the proper steps to install Tamko Heritage laminated asphalt shingles. Be sure to follow all safety and local code requirements. In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to properly install Tamko Heritage shingles in a closed valley application. The underlayments and starter shingles have been installed, and we've started the 2 cuts 5 courses shingle installation process. If you have questions on these steps, please see the previous videos in this series. Start by applying the first course of shingles along the eave of the intersecting portion of the roof. This shingle should extend over the valley and into the adjoining roof plane. This course will be the only interlocking course along the valley. The first course laces shingles across the valley from the main roof plane, so when starting the second, continue to use the 2 cuts 5 courses method as long as each shingle extends at least 12 inches onto the adjoining roof. As you install, press shingles tightly into the valley. It helps if the shingles are warm when you do this, so that they are more pliable. Use the standard fastening pattern while installing the shingles across the valley. When crossing the valley, 2 nails should be placed at the end of each shingle. Be sure not to place any nails within 6 inches of either side of the valley. Now that you've applied the shingles across the valley, apply a row vertically facing the valley. These shingles should be placed 2 inches offset from the valley's center line. Snap a chalk line to help guide your shingles. Apply the first vertical shingle starting on the second course and work up the valley. To complete your valley installation, position the bottom corner of each row at the chalk line covering the vertical shingle. You can do this while still utilizing Tamko's 2 cuts 5 courses method, allowing you to install the valley quickly and efficiently. The Tamko closed, no-cut valley installation method may be used when installing Heritage, Heritage Premium, and Heritage Woodgate shingles. Once your shingles are installed, finish the roof by applying continuous ridge ventilation and hip and ridge shingles. The installation of the hip and ridge shingles over the ventilation gives a clean, attractive-looking roof. Thanks for watching. For more Tamko installation videos, visit tamko.com. Thank you for taking the time to learn more about Tamko products. This is a series of videos walking you through the proper steps to install Tamko Heritage laminated asphalt shingles. Be sure to follow all safety and local code requirements. This video will demonstrate how to install shingle starters. Shingle starters are an important installation step. Tamko pre-cut starter shingles are designed to provide a more precise start for shingle installation and alignment, help waterproof the even rake edges, and prevent blow-off. When installing Tamko shingle starter, it is recommended roofing nails be minimum 12 gauge with 3/8 inch diameter heads. They should be long enough to penetrate 3/4 of an inch into the roof deck with the nail head flush with the shingle surface. While Tamko recommends using shingle starters, 3-tab shingles may be used as a starter. Just remove the exposed tab portion and install with the adhesive strip adjacent to the eaves. Attach the starter strip in a line parallel to and 1.5 inches to 3 inches above the eaves edge. When installing along the rake edge, allow 3/8 to 3/4 inch overhang. Where metal flashing is used, install the starter shingles even with the drip edge, allowing no more than 3/4 inch of an overhang. Minimizing overhang helps improve the wind resistance of your system. Thanks for watching. For more Tamko installation videos, visit tamko.com.